Last class period, we did some interest. No equation was a of t equals little a times 1 plus r raised to the t, right? So now we're looking at one that looks like this. A of t equals p times e raised to the rt. Now, our key word here is continuously. Anytime you have a word problem and you're looking for interest rate, and you see the word continuously compounded, you automatically know that you're going to come find this formula right here. P times e raised to the rt. So let's see what all this means. Well, the a and the a of t, same thing as our other formula. Amount in account at time t. So say amount in account after 4 years. The amount of the money in the account after 5 years. The amount of the money in the account after 3 years. That's what A of T means. The P is my principal amount. What I started with, what I put in. Then I have times E. My R is going to be my what? My rate, or our percentages. And then my T is my time in years.
So the E is what again?
The E is just the thing I'm going to use on the calculator. So A of T is the amount in the account at time T. P is principal. R is rate. And time is T is time in years. So this one's worked just like last class period's problems. Pull the information out, throw it into the equation, solve it. Okay? So let's look at one. Suppose you won a contest at the start of 5th grade that deposited $3,000 into an account that pays 5% annual interest compounded continuously. There's my word. Right there, I know that I'm going to use this one. Okay? How much will you have in the account when you enter high school 4 years later? Express the answer to the nearest dollar. So I have my formula. A of T equals P times E raised to the RT. I need to put the information where it goes. Then I need to solve it. That's all I have to do. So what is my principal amount, or the amount that I started with? 3,000. I know that I'm going to write E down. What is my rate? 5%. The rate has to be put in decimal form, so what is my decimal going to be? 0.05. And then my time? 4 years. So in my calculator, I'm going to put 3,000 times E raised to the 0.05 times 4. Anybody? It says round it to the nearest dollar, so we're going to go right there. $3,664. I know, right? $3,664. How much will be in the account after 4 years of high school? So we're using the same information up here. So our principal is $3,000. We're timesing it by E. Our rate is still the same, but our time is going to change because we're adding 4 more years onto it. 4 years after high school. So what is my time going to be now? 8. So 3,000 times E raised to the 0.05 times 8 gives me what?